If you followed too many people on TikTok and want to unfollow everyone at once, there's actually a hidden method that works, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open your TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, go to the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on TikTok Support. You'll see a few options. Choose Submit Ticket. This is where the magic happens. Once the Submit Ticket form appears, scroll to the message box and type this exact message. Please can you help me unfollow everyone because I followed too many people and need help unfollowing them at once. Thanks in advance. Keep it simple and exactly like this. Don't add anything else. TikTok's support team understands these requests and can process them for you. After typing your message, tap Submit Ticket again to send it. You'll get a confirmation screen showing your request was received. Now, all you need to do is wait. TikTok usually responds within 24 to 72 hours, and if approved, they'll automatically clear your following list for you. Make sure you don't try to unfollow people manually in bulk. Doing that too quickly can trigger a temporary action block. That's why this method is the safest and fastest way in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast TikTok tips. See you in the next one.